Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we delve into the trending world of IPTV streaming. First, a shout out to 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider. Reach out to Nancy for top-notch customer support. Links in the description. Many people wonder, can you get IPTV smarters on Firestick? Absolutely. Let's explore the step-by-step process that turns your Firestick into a powerful streaming hub with minimal effort. Start by navigating to the Settings menu on your Firestick and activate the option labeled Install Unknown Apps. This is a crucial step in allowing third-party apps to function smoothly. Next, head to the App Store and download the Downloader app, your essential tool for sideloading apps onto your Firestick without any hassle or technical glitches. In the Downloader app, input the URL for the IPTV Smarters APK file. This easy step bridges your Firestick to endless entertainment possibilities through the IPTV Smarters app. And there you have it. IPTV Smarters is now accessible on your Firestick. Enjoy streaming with ease, and remember, the link to the best IPTV provider is in the description.